Hi, in this video we're going to further explore harder factorisation techniques. Now, as I said in previous videos, always look for a common factor first that you can factorise out before you apply any other factorisation techniques. So for example, if I had, say, 2x cubed plus 6x to the 4, you'd look what's in common between this first term here and this second term here. Well, 2 and 6 have a factor of 2 in common, and x cubed and x to the 4, well, they have x cubed in common. You would take out the lower of the two powers. 3 is less than 4, so you take out x to the 3, and then you open a bracket and you say, well, 2x to the 3 times by what is 2x to the 3? It's just 1. And then 2x cubed times by what is 6x to the 4? Well, we need 3 because 2 times 3 is 6. And x cubed times x is x to the 4. So that would be the factorisation. We explored that in previous videos. But we can use the same principle if the thing we're factorising out is a whole bracket. Because here we just factorise out a number to and an algebraic expression like x cubed. But the thing we might be factorising out might actually be a bracket. So we might have a bracket on the front here multiplied by another bracket. And that's possible. So in this example here, I can see we've got like an x plus 7 to some power in common. Now, as we did here, like we looked at the x cubed and the x to the 4, we took out the lower of the two powers. So if I have x plus 7 to the 4 and x plus 7 to the 3, you factorise out the lower of the two powers, which is x plus 7 cubed. And then just like this example here, we open up a new bracket. So we're going to open up a new bracket. And then we're going to say x plus 7 cubed multiplied by what is x plus 7 to the 4? Well, we've got x plus 7 cubed, but we want x plus 7 to the 4. So we need another x plus 7 that we're multiplying by. Yep. Because x plus 7 to the cubed multiplied by another x plus 7 is going to give you x plus 7 to the power of 4. It's going to increase the power by 1. And then we ask ourselves, x plus 7 cubed multiplied by what is this expression here? Well, we've already got the x plus 7 cubed, so we don't need to multiply by any more x plus 7s. But we need this x plus 4. So we can say plus x minus 4. Now, you could put the x minus 4 in brackets, but they're not necessary. And then the final step is just to tidy up that second bracket. So we've got x plus 7 cubed. And then what have we got in the second bracket? Well, we've got x plus x, which is 2 lots of x. And then 7 minus 4 is plus 3. So that is the fully factorised expression. And we are done.